Alright guys, train number 14. Just finished this one up for a customer. Getting ready to test it, make sure everything's functional. I know it is already, I built it. So, anywho, this is what I got going on. A 45 by 60. Custom built, highly detailed, fully functional with a panel. Anywho, what you guys think? Getting ready to fire up the train. Really just cleaned the track, got everything ready. So we'll see what happens. Got power. Yep. Excuse the mess on the board. Let's see. Yep. Switch that over. Got lights. Let's see. Oh yeah. Well, Athearn products. Huh? Oh, let's go, guys. Here we go. Oh, nice. Running pretty smooth there. Look at that, guys. Ah. Oh. Oh, and of course, what happens? Caboose. Sorry, guys. Let me get this. I'm pretty sure we're still good. Sounds like it. I'll just park this here for now. Make it look good. Yeah, huh? What you guys think? Looking pretty nice. Sweet. Let's do some switches. That'd be this one, right? Oh yeah. Get that one done. Oh, lucky me, eh? Walk around and see what we got. Seems to be running pretty good. This is customer. Just showing them what's going on. Pretty nice. Oh, what happened here? Okay. Looks like. Anyways. Runs pretty good. All switches are, of course, functional. Nice. Alright. Toggles up here are pretty much existing because it's just direction for when there's isolated. So, caca. DCC setup. It's going to be running Marklands, I believe. So, this should be just fine for them. Pretty nice. I don't know, I like looking at it from here. Working on getting a nano camera. Something I can ride in that will take panoramic view as you're driving in it. Anywho, this is for my customer. Sorry for the silliness. What you guys think? Alright, let's take a look over here. Try not to break nothing. Got the caboose, tower. Very nice, huh? Centerpiece comes out right there. You can see the seam. Lifts up. Need access to that tunnel. A little terminal here, station. That's pretty good, guys. What do you think? Anyways, this customer will be really happy with this. Turned out really nice. Get some nice angles. Build these for customers. I just finished another one. Sorry for this. I don't know if I should do that. Just finished another one back here in the background. You'll see this one. Anyways, just finished that one too. for a customer. Really nice. Turned out pretty awesome. Back up a little bit. I think I can zoom anymore. 4x8. Anyways, pretty detailed. You can see a bunch of chickens down there, cows. Oh, got a castle that goes there. Anyways, what you guys think? I'll get this one up and run here and show you this one too. It's pretty awesome when you look at it from a view like that, or like that. Let's see if I can give you an angle here. Oh, yeah. Yeah. What do you think of that? Nice, huh? The waterfall. A little bit of water running through there. Oh, yeah. Anyways, guys, try to give you a view. Oh, yeah, look at that. Try to break now. Got some climbers right here. Oh. Anyways, got a little bit going on. So back to my customer. I build these right and left. What you guys think? Got another one over there. Making for another customer, Lionel. 4-train function. Excuse the mess, guys. I do clean. The tunnel will be all LED, covered up, access for trains, and little river gorge in the middle with the dam. You'll see it. It'll be pretty awesome. 4 trains. You can see the tracks there. 1, 2, 3, 4. One time. Then I got that one, of course. Busy. So, yeah. And more, I got another one for Texas. So you guys have a good day and let me know what you think. All right, bye.